Ever wondered why some people seem to react almost before something even happens? Maybe you've seen someone snatch a glass before it tips over, or answer a tricky question before anyone else has even processed it. What's their secret? Is it just practice, or is there something deeper going on inside their brains? We all know that practice and experience matter, but there's a hidden layer to these lightning-fast reactions that goes far beyond muscle memory or quick thinking. It's something that's happening at a microscopic level, deep within the intricate networks of your brain. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery that's changing the way scientists understand how our brains work and how we experience the world in real time. Turns out, your brain's timing might be the real superpower. Here's the breakthrough. Neuroscientists have shown, for the first time, that it's not just which brain cells fire, but exactly when they fire that changes everything. This discovery is shaking up everything we thought we knew about how the brain processes information. For years, researchers focused on the what and where of brain activity, what neurons are involved, and where in the brain things happen. But now, the when is taking center stage, and it's revealing a whole new dimension to how we think, move, and feel. For decades, scientists believed that the brain's wiring, which neurons connect to which, was the main story. But now, we know that the timing of those electrical signals is just as important, if not more so. Imagine billions of tiny clocks, all ticking in perfect rhythm, orchestrating your every thought and action. Each neuron is like a musician in a massive orchestra, and if even one is out of sync, the entire performance can change. This precise timing is what allows you to react to a fastball, remember a friend's name, or even just walk across a busy street without bumping into someone. It's a level of coordination that's almost impossible to imagine, yet it happens effortlessly, every second of your life. We're talking differences down to 1,000th of a second. That's faster than the blink of an eye, faster than a hummingbird's wing beat. Your brain is constantly making split-second decisions, and the tiniest delay can mean the difference between catching a ball or missing it entirely. Think about how quickly you pull your hand away from something hot, or how you instinctively duck when something flies toward your face. These reactions happen so fast you barely have time to think. That's your brain's timing in action, working behind the scenes to keep you safe and sharp. Imagine your brain as an orchestra. If a single instrument comes in late or early, the whole song gets messed up. Every section, every note has to be perfectly timed for the music to sound right. In your brain, every neuron is like a musician, and the timing of their notes creates the symphony of your thoughts, memories, and actions. Just as a conductor ensures that every musician plays in harmony, your brain has its own internal conductor, networks of cells that keep everything in sync. This coordination is what allows you to move smoothly, think clearly, and respond to the world with incredible precision. So why does this matter? Well, think about all the things you do every day that rely on perfect timing. Walking, talking, even remembering where you left your keys. If your brain's timing is off, even by a tiny bit, things can start to go wrong. You might stumble over your words, forget a familiar face, or react too slowly in a crucial moment. It's not just about being fast. It's about being accurate, coordinated, and able to adapt to whatever life throws your way. Even the simplest tasks, like tying your shoes or following a conversation, depend on this split-second synchronization. Your brain is flooded with signals every moment. If they're even a little out of sync, your thoughts, reactions, and even your memories can get mixed up. It's like trying to watch a movie where the sound and picture don't match up. Confusing, frustrating, and sometimes even impossible to follow. This is why timing is so crucial, not just for quick reactions, but for making sense of the world around you. When your brain's signals are perfectly timed, everything feels smooth and effortless. But when they're not, even simple things can become a struggle. Scientists have discovered that this precise timing is what allows you to make sense of the world in real time. When you see a friend waving from across the street, your brain instantly matches the visual signal with the memory of their face, the sound of their voice, and even the feeling of happiness you get from seeing them, all because the signals arrive at just the right moment. This seamless integration of information is what makes your experiences feel whole and meaningful. Without it, your senses would be a jumbled mess, and your memories would be scattered fragments. That's why you recognize a face in a crowd, catch a baseball, or answer a question lightning fast, because your neurons are firing at the right moments, like perfect text messages arriving exactly when needed. It's this split-second coordination that makes you quick on your feet, sharp in conversation, and able to keep up with the world around you. Imagine trying to have a conversation where every word arrives out of order. It would be impossible to understand. That's what happens when your brain's timing is off. But when everything is in sync, you can process information, respond, and adapt with incredible speed and accuracy. And it's not just about speed. This timing helps you focus, ignore distractions, and even learn new things. When your brain's signals are in sync, you can absorb information more easily and remember it longer. Think about how you can tune out background noise to focus on a friend's voice in a crowded room, or how you can remember a new skill after just a few tries. That's your brain's timing at work, helping you filter out what matters and lock in what's important. And the real kicker? This discovery is opening up a whole new world of possibilities for science and medicine. Researchers are now asking, what if we could train the brain to fire even more precisely? Could we help people with memory problems, attention disorders, or even boost learning and creativity? Imagine therapies that fine-tune your brain's timing, helping you overcome challenges that once seemed impossible. The potential is enormous, not just for treating disease, but for unlocking new levels of human performance. This discovery could totally change how we treat brain disorders, train athletes, or even design smarter AI. Imagine helping stroke patients recover lost skills by teaching their brains to keep the beat again, or building computers that process information with the same split-second accuracy as the human mind. The implications go far beyond medicine. Think about education, sports, even the way we interact with technology. If we can harness the power of perfect timing, we could revolutionize the way we learn, work, and play. Imagine therapies that help your brain fire on the perfect beat, or computers that think more like us. The future could hold brain training games that actually rewire your timing, or AI assistants that anticipate your needs with uncanny precision. We're on the brink of a new era, where understanding and improving brain timing could help everyone, from kids learning in school, to adults recovering from injury, to seniors keeping their minds sharp as they age. So next time you ace a quiz or dodge a flying ball, thank your brain's amazing timing. It's not just luck or talent, it's the result of billions of neurons working together in perfect harmony every millisecond of your life. Whether you're solving a puzzle, playing an instrument, or just having a conversation, your brain's timing is the invisible force that makes it all possible. It's a reminder of just how incredible and complex your mind truly is. If you're fascinated by breakthroughs like this, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science every week. Stay curious and remember, your brain's timing is nothing short of extraordinary. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize just how much there is left to discover. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never underestimate the power of perfect timing inside your head and in your life.